Lawrence v. Texas. There were these two guys, and they were having sex. You know, gay man style. And there was a neighbor, his name is Eubanks. Eubanks called the cops, and Eubanks decided to tell the cops that, hey man, there's a guy next door. He's going crazy. He's blowing off shots with his gun, and he's saying all sorts of stuff. And so I'm claiming a weapons disturbance next door. And the cops are like, okay. And so the cops go to the house, and when they arrive, they knock on the door, and the men are, you know, it's a private consensual sexual activity, and they are enjoying themselves. And so they don't answer the door, and the cops just bust in. And the cops bust in, and they catch these two men, Lawrence and Garner. Lawrence and Garner are having anal sex. The cops bust in, and they're like, oh my God, you are violating the Texas law that says you can't do this. And the guys, Lawrence and Garner, are like, oh my God, yes we are. And so they're like, okay, we agree to this. We're having sex. Take us in. So the cops take them in, and hold on. Eubanks, whom I believe only reported this because I think he was having, I think he was having sexual relations with Garner, the G guy. I think he was doing him, and so he called the cops and called all this on it. Because the other dude, Lawrence, was older, 69. He was older. So the cops take them in, and they say, we're doing this, yeah, but it's our right to do this. We get to fucking fuck each other. And the cops are like, no you don't. We have a law that says you can't. It's just a misdemeanor in this state, but they're, you know, even though it's just a misdemeanor, it's like, hey, I fucking did this. It's gonna go on their record. They're gonna tell people about this. It's like, yeah, I fucking am gay. I like to have anal sex. I do this. This is my lifestyle. And the cops still think it's bad because it's against the law. So they decide to challenge this law and say, no, it's not right. It's not right to have this law. They said, Lawrence and Garner said, hey, no, this isn't right. This is a violation of our equal protection rights and our right to privacy. Griswold v. Connecticut said, no, certain rights to privacy are entitled to human beings. We are entitled to the right to privacy. So, this right to privacy, or right to butt fuck, was made not just for married people, but also for married people and unmarried people, or homosexual people. So these gay guys, Lawrence and Garner, which I really hope that's his name, Lawrence and Garner, were able to do this because they were consenting to this, and they were in their own home, and they were doing it, they were happy, and they really loved it, and they should get to do it. And yeah, so equal protection and substantive due rights allowed them to be able to butt fuck in their home. Kennedy wrote the opinion, but O'Connor was the sixth opinion. And O'Connor disagreed. And O'Connor believed in the equal protection right. She pretty much said, hey, it's not right for you to say, hey man, a man and a man can't do this, but a man and a woman can do this. So she thought that was bad. Scalia disagreed on all of it. He went through this long thing of what's wrong, no, it's been wrong, no, nobody should do it. And so, fuck you. We should be able to decide who we want to butt fuck. Who's gonna fucking put themselves in my vagina for procreative use or in my butt for, yeah, that's fun use. It's wrong for anyone to say otherwise. Thank you.
I said what in the butt. 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 You wanna do it in my butt? In my butt? You wanna do it in my butt? In my butt? You wanna do it in my butt? In my butt? Let's do it in the butt. Okay.
I'm straight, but I ain't narrow, and it's all good.